Good afternoon, students. We are going to solve exercise 1.5 because we have understand about union, intersection and complement and also De Morgan's law, and in which first question is, let U is equal to set in which there are 9 elements from 1 to 9. And set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and set B is equal to 2 4 6 8. Set B is equal to 2 4 6 and 8, and another set C is equal to 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 and 6. We have to find out A dash. We know that A dash means the complement set of A, and which is given as U minus A, and we can see that the difference of U and A, we have to remove all the elements of A from U, and the remaining set will be the complement of A. Then we can write, we are removing 1 2 3 4 from set U, and in this way we can write U A dash is equal to 5 6 7 8 9. 5 6 7 8 and 9. Again we can find out B dash, the complement set of B, because we have to remove all the elements of set B from the universal set U, and in third we have to find out A, the complement of third is the complement of A union C. A union C. To find out the complement of A union C, we need to find out A union C. Now what is A union C? We have two sets A and C. A union C will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is A union C. Now we need to find the complement of A union C. Therefore the complement of A union C will be a set in which there will be only those elements which do not belong to A union C in the set U, but there are 9 elements starting from 1 to 9 in set U, in the universal set, and we have 1 2 3 1 from 1 to 6. Therefore we have to remove all the elements of A union C from the universal set U, and in this way we can write 7 8 9. We can write here 7 8 9. Similarly, we can find out A union the complement of A union B, which is fourth problem of first question. And in fifth we have to find out the complement of A, the complement of A. Complement of A. Now we have complement of A is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the complement of, we can write U minus the complement of A, U minus the complement of A. But the complement of A we have already found. The complement of A is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have to remove from U these elements from U, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way we can solve the remaining part of first question. And the last one is the complement of B minus C. First of all we need to find out the difference of B and C, then we can easily find the complement of B minus C. And second question is U is given as A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H. We have to find out the complement of the following sets. First, A is given as, there are three elements A, B and C. Then we know that the complement of A, and denoted by A dash, we can write U minus A, and if we subtract the elements of A from the universal set U, we can write the complement of set A as, we have to remove A, B, C from U, then we can write D, E, F, G, H. Similarly, we can solve the remaining part of question number 2, because there are three more sets B, C and D, and we have to find out the complements of B, C and D. And now we move to question number 3. And third question is taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set. It means U, we can write U is equal to all the natural numbers X, such that X is a natural number, because we cannot write all the elements of this set, because there are infinite number of natural numbers, and we have to write this set in the set builder form. And similarly we have to find out, in the first part of question number 3 is, we have to find out the complement of a set, and which is, let A is the set given as X such that X is an even natural number. X is an even natural number. x is an even natural number, and we have to find out the complement of a. It means a dash is equal to u minus a, and we also know that if we subtract all the even natural numbers from this universal set, and which is given as x, such that x is a natural number, then we have only odd natural numbers in this set u minus a. Therefore we can write this gives a set in which all the elements x such that x is an odd natural number. Therefore the complement of a will be all those elements which are odd natural numbers. Now question number third part of third question. Let b is equal to, we have to find out the complement of the set given as x such that x is a positive multiple of 3. X is a positive multiple of 3, and we have to find out the complement of this set. Then we know that b dash will be u minus b, and if we subtract all the positive multiples of 3 from the set of natural number, and which is the universal set of this question, then we can write x such that x is not a multiple of multiple of 3, and also x belongs to n. Again, we have to write the complement of, in the question number question number 8. Suppose that we are taking question number 8 of question number 3rd, 8 part of question number 3rd, and 8 part is let another set C is given as x such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. X plus 5 is equal to 8. and we have to find out the complement of this set. We can write the complement of this set C dash will be U minus C, and we know that if we subtract this set from the universal set, which is a set of natural numbers, we can write we can write x such that x belongs to n, and also x is not equal to 3, because 3 is only natural number. 3 is only a natural number. If we put x is equal to 3, we get 8, and therefore all the elements except 3 are the members of this set. Then the complement set of C will be x such that x belongs to n, and also x is not equal to 3. Similarly, you can easily solve other parts of this question, and now we take fourth question. In fourth question, we have a universal set, and we have to verify. Universal set is given as 1 2 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, a set in which there are 9 elements starting from 1 to 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we have a is equal to 2 4 6 8, and b is equal to 2 3 5 7. b is equal to 2 3 5 and 7, and we have to verify a intersection A union B and complement. It means the complement of the union of two sets A and B will be the complement of A intersection complement of B, and second one is complement of A union B is equal to A dash in complement of A intersection B. This is the complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A and union complement of B. First of all, to verify, we need A union B. Now we take left hand side is equal to A complement of A union B. Complement of A union B. Now A union B will be A union B, we can write 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 6 7 and 8, and if we Now we have to find the complement of this A union B. Therefore, complement of A union B will be U minus this set, U minus A union B. But use U in the universal set U, there are 9 elements starting from 1 to 9. Then we have to remove all the elements existing in this set. Therefore, we can write, we see that here are the elements starting from 2 to 8. 2 to 8, and in the universal set there are 9 elements starting from 1 to 9. Then we have only 2 elements in this set, 1 and 9. We can write 1 9. Therefore, left hand side is 1 9, and also right hand side, we see that right hand side is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Now what is A dash? We can write in A dash 2 4 6 8. We have to remove 2 4 6 8 from the universal set, and we can write 1 3 5 7 9. This is the complement of A. And intersection, what is the complement of B? Then we have to remove 2 3 5 7 from this set, 2 3 5 7. Then we can write 1 4 6 8 9, 8 and 9. And we have to find out this the intersection of these two sets, and we can easily see that 1 is common in both the sets, 9 is also common in both the sets, but no other elements are common in both the sets other than 1 and 9. Therefore, this will be 1 comma 9, and this shows that this implies left hand side is equal to right hand side, and in this way we have verified. Similarly, you can verify on the second part of this question, and I hope you will complete this chapter. And there are 3 more questions. We will discuss about Venn diagram of question number 5 in the next video. Okay, thank you students.